All right, so today we have to work on Mom's buggy. She's been having a smoking issue, which I think is the valve guides. So we're going to have to pull the heads on this machine right here. This is started as a 1600 and it is now more along the lines of a 1900 on a short wheelbase. We refer to this as a stump jumper. So if I get my... Alright, so now that I got that to rotate, here we go. This is what we're working on. This is pretty pumped up for a build on a 1600. It is only 5 foot from the center of that axle to center of this axle. But yes, she is having a smoking issue, so we are going to pull the heads and have the valve guides replaced. So we have to pull off the intake, the air breather, and all that stuff, and the covers to get to the heads. So we're going to have us a little bit of fun today. So let's get this started. Oh, and get this stuff all out of our way here. We got the wrenches back over here to the side. Now that's off. So, now pop that. Come on. Oh. There we go. And this one with the other one. Put these guys back on so they don't get lost. Get up there. So now, got the set screw out, got the intake off. This. Oh, come on.
It's literally caught on nothing but the nut.
Yeah.
See, if you wouldn't have put the nut back on.
Yeah. Safekeepings. So one is on, or back cylinder's on top, front cylinder's on bottom.
Yeah, like we're gonna remember that.
Video.
Oh yeah. Well, here, and then we'll just kind of.
Yeah. I had them like that, but they fell off. Come on. Oh, that looks pretty in there. So, now, valve covers. I'm not valve covers. Rockers. Should be 13. You know, I do gotta say, this thing's gotta have some of the cleanest valve train I've seen on any of our motors. You know what I mean, Scott?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, hey, get out of there. Yeah.
Now you've done it.
No, I just didn't want to get down in there. These are going to the shop, so I guess it really doesn't matter. I'm going to the machine shop to be revalved. So we need, oh, what was that, a 14?
I don't remember.
I'm thinking it's 14 for those head studs. No.
$15?
15.
15.
We never did get us a little magnet for the magnet trick, did we?
Nope.
clean before we put it back, so.
We still have some residual mud.
It has some mud on the threads.
Gathering up the washers.
Yeah. This is where we need the magnet, or
Yeah.
the magnet trick of pulling these off. Alright, that one's not coming out. So these inset washers are a little bit of a pain to get out of here. So now we should be able to work these guys right here. Alright. Grab our tubes as they come loose here. Ooh, that's a dirty boy.
Set stuff.
And all of this stuff will be cleaned before it's put back. Did you forget to wash this engine?
No, I think this is one of the ones Phil insisted on washing.
Phil wasn't here this year. Alright. One head off. Those booger of washers are still in there. They do not want to come out. There's one right there. There we go. These guys in here, they just don't like to come out. So let's see what we got here. Ooh. Yeah. Don't look like we've got any leakage. But we do got a lot of oil in that cylinder. That's why it's going to the shop. And I think these valves aren't sealing. And the valve guides down in here are a little worn out. And see if we can get this thing to stop smoking. And those pistons are looking pretty good. Not all blacked up yet. It's what, 2 years of running on those pistons.
Oh, you can almost see the numbers right here.
Yeah, what do we got there?
Let's see if I can 86.95?
0.85.
0.85?
Yep. 86.85 millimeters. That's bigger than most of them can go without boring the block. So this block has evidently been punched out a little bit.
The inside doesn't look too bad either.
No, it's actually looking really good.
There's a bit of a shadow here that you can see on the camera, but
Yeah, that's just where the
yeah,
piston
shadow
stops and starts over again. Got your arm there. I'm going to grab these so we don't lose them. Those are our intake washers, which these are the intake nuts here. So they're not falling off this too easily. So I will put them on there for safekeeping until we get these heads back in the shop. Now we need to move to side 2 and get the other side off over here, which is the whole thing all over again over there. So the nice thing about having it on a buggy is that you can tear that motor down as long as you don't need to open the block up without ever taking it off the machine. And just remember, just because we do it doesn't mean it's the right way to do it. It is what works for us. It may not be the right way to do it, but it gets it done, and I'll get it all cleaned up, and then we'll get it all back together when I get it back from the machine shop on having those heads redone and valve job on them. All right, so next time we will be working on my buggy, which is a full sandrail. Right now, it is Corvair powered. So, I'm going to tear out that Corvair engine and put in a Volkswagen engine because I'm tired of the Corvair engine breaking. So, that's next time.